Today I'm going to show you how to change an aftermarket exhaust to another aftermarket exhaust. So what you want to do is all these bolts, all three bolts right here, you're going to want to take them off and put them to the side. Oh yeah. As you can see, this is why we are changing this exhaust, because it's
all fucked up.
Yeah. There you go. Okay, so now your exhaust is off. You're gonna want to take your old gasket and throw it, and make sure you still got all your bolts in here. Then you're gonna want to take your new exhaust gasket, make sure it's the right size, and put it in and make sure it's all lined up. Then you're gonna want to take your new exhaust and put it up to the bolts. Then you're gonna want to take your washers that came off with it and the bolt that came off with it, and just finger tighten it on there. Okay, now that we have everything installed and finger tightened, you're gonna want to take your 13mm socket and a 13mm wrench and clip one to the front and then one to the back if you can get it on, and then just start spinning. And you're gonna want to make sure you got all your washers on, a new gasket, and just make sure everything's right, nothing's broke. And once you tightened everything, you should be good to go. Alright, this is what we got after we changed out the exhaust. And if you couldn't tell, but you probably could, this exhaust has no baffle. There's no nothing to keep the sound low. So, pretty loud.